Another minute. Be great to hear some readers if somebody wants to read a few lines or something from what you just wrote.
I can read.
Thank you, Brittany.
I said I really loved.
Is your camera off? Do you want? Just doesn't matter. You can leave it off.
Brittany's camera's on.
Oh,
My camera's on.
It's just me. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. I said I really loved being able to set up our own writing partners that were specific to our classes. I think I was feeling a little overwhelmed at the end of the last session, just using it for reading the random articles and posts that we were going through, and I didn't really know what to ask it. But being able to gear it specifically to use for us in our class and how we would be actually using it was a lot more tangible for me to wrap my head around. And I think if I continue to interact with it and see what I need to tweak in the AI setup, and mess with it a little bit more, I think I can definitely see my students using it as a tool to incorporate when they're writing their sustained investigations.
Cool.
So I feel less overwhelmed now that I got to apply it to my department.
Cool.
Colin, I think that's great. Thank you for the feedback.
Call on somebody, Brittany.
Oh, I'll go.
Go, good.
All right. This session definitely brought clarification as far as like what can be done with the writing partners, how it can be used for more like casual assignments, because I'm like, we're not writing papers per se, but definitely can write down critiques and get feedback on that. I'm still a little bit confused on the coding aspect of it all, like setting that up on the back end. So I'm not sure if what you ended up doing helped, like if you changed what I wrote in the code box. But whatever you did helped, because when I talked to the thinking partner, it was able to pull things from all the documents that I uploaded specifically. So that will definitely like come in handy with my students with scoring and with analyzing things and pulling it from those score sheets. So that helped.
Cool.
Great. Thank you.
I just made some notes for myself so that I could better use this on my own about just structuring rubrics a little differently and what have you. So I have that like reminder of what I can do later on this week when I give this a try.
Got it.
Thanks.
Much like
quick question.
Sure.
So if I were to assign, my lights went off. If I were to assign this with a sub, and I were to say like, ask, the thinking partner, like 3 questions to reflect back on, your critique, I would then be able to see the questions that they asked. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
I guess much like Sierra, I was a little not sure about the coding thing, which I think is integral to making the writing partner. So I feel like if I were to go do another one, I would know most of the steps until I got to that weird 4P box that I'm not really sure what I need to change and that kind of thing. But overall, I'm really excited to be able to have that control over whatever it is. And I know, Paul, you said that maybe I'd have to make a new partner for each one if I put the specific prompt in and the specific student samples. And I might want to try that. I might want to see what kind of feedback they get that's different than just putting just the rubric in. But that's maybe Peter 2.0 or something. So.
What do you mean by the 4P box?
That what it was at purpose.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. Okay,
yeah, the coding box or whatever.
Got it. Yep. Okay.
I had a quick, I guess, comment, question, concern that, long story short, I love the idea of now using like my practice IWA as feedback for the next round. So I plan on doing that with my kids. I know a couple of my law kids were like, you sent me an email, Miss Benda. And I'm like, I did not. And then it was, I think, from you guys. And when I
Yeah.
look at my classroom, I have half of my seminar kids have accepted. And maybe that's because they already were on it last year. Now that I'm talking this out loud, but half of them have not accepted
By accepted, it means that they've logged in one time.
Oh, okay.
And my guess is that there's an overlap between your class and Peter's class.
A little bit.
But I'm not sure. That's what I think
Okay.
happened.
Okay,
So
that makes
if they
sense.
were already on the platform, then they were accepted immediately. Yeah.
Okay. So I need to instruct them then that they need to find the email with their login information.
So yeah, just to say when they go, no. So I think everybody is probably on a Google email situation in your school. If that's true, then all they have to do is hit the Google button and they log in immediately. So they go to log in on Writing Partners, they hit the Google button and they log in without any passwords.
Okay. Thank you.
No, I'm glad you asked because these are the kind of details we need to get out to you. But yes.
Yeah, that was really confusing before because the kids were like, I need to set up an account. I'm like, no, you shouldn't have to. It's just click a button. So yeah, the Google button.
Yeah. That should work for everyone. Which is part of why I just would love to encourage you to have them get anything up, get in and get anything up on the site, and then we can move from there. Any other thoughts? We didn't want to make our voice the last year. I guess it is 3:30. Yes, it is. So David and I can hang around if you have more questions or thoughts or want to work on something. That's what we're up for. We are always available to connect with. Let us know. I tried this and it didn't work, or let us know positive things. So please email us, please text us, and we'll be there to support you to make this work.
Paul, I haven't heard from Andrea, so I'll just send whatever Andrea's little response is about this capstone thing to the group email that you had sent out so that everyone knows what her response is.
All right. And just to say, what we imagine is that document that you keep adding to can become something that's shareable.
Sure.
So we're hoping that you don't have to make something else. Although I hear what you're saying. You want to be prepared. I get it. All right. Thank you all.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too.